these devices, the mobile phones. Can you know gazette? All the mobile phones were registered.
Transaction
eventually that's what it's going to. Usually with the time, this as the gadget go transactions to that approach, okay, whereas it may be good for the government to try to bring in other people who actually were not in the tax bracket, but okay, an approach towards the transactional, getting your tax from the transactional point of view, as opposed to income earning point. Get to taxation, the basis of the transaction point, I work backwards. At the point of transaction, then I work backwards on writing, okay, if you transact this amount, you must have earned this kind of money. Talking about a lot of disputes. Yes, you not transact some amount, but man only earn that amount, man should be a taxable amount. I'm foreseeing a situation KRA because getting they use that as a basis of time to assess your taxes. To make a lot of conflict. But and that's why I was saying the best approach would have been can identify tax point of it at the point of earning the income. What is taxable is at the point of is the income may earn or the transaction. In fact, for the transaction, the basic message they should more already catered for withholding taxes. At the point of transaction, it was like withholding tax. To withholding tax on when they bring them on board, withholding tax, final tax, returns making the wonka. The account for tax or the nono. You'll be forced to declare your other sources of income to that withholding. Yeah. Koro some of the challenges obedogo. Gitemo kelo diro yo mar phone as a way of trying to generate additional income from people who are perceived to be under the tax under the moral taxes. Yeah.
Atomana ka kilero kanyo makare we aduok CPA Molena Chayo to akaintire county ma Kisumu ngeni weche mag osuru mathoth masani koro ijuogo kuom jopiny nyalo miyo jopiny moko